So this is an interactive quiz that I just created using AI in just a few minutes. And as you can see, I can interact with the page. I can click on the answer and see whether or not my answer was correct or wrong. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a presentation that look like this, that you can use in your class or maybe in your office to generate a more interactive presentation. And we are only using one AI agent tool, and it is actually free. All right, the first thing that you need to do is that you have to open this website that is called Genspark.ai. This is the URL, and you can actually check the video description to see the link. Now, this AI tool is actually AI agent, and right now it is giving you 200 credits every single day, which equals to one presentation or one generation per day. Maybe not a lot, but if you're just casually creating a presentation, then this is more than enough. Now, after that, after you sign up using your Gmail or your Microsoft account, you will see this interface. Now, I want you to navigate to a feature called AI Slides. Click on it. And here, just wait until it opens. Okay, there you go. So this is what it will look like, and you can write the prompt or you can describe what is the kind of presentation that you want to create. But I do recommend to use this AI prompt. This is the prompt that I'm going to use, and you can pause this video and then you can manually write it, or you can also just check the video description to copy this prompt. Now I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste that into this, but we haven't provided the question yet. And I actually use AI in Perplexity to generate questions, but you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Mistral, or maybe Meta AI to generate questions, or maybe you have your own questions. It's really up to you. Basically, you have to provide the questions to AI via the prompt. Now I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste that into Genspark. I'm going to put it on a new line, paste, and there you go. So that's basically it. This is the main instruction, and the rest is the content that you want to put into the presentation. Now, there is a button here that seems to be allowing you to upload a file, which is, yeah, you can use it to upload some files or documents that could be referenced to the presentation that is going to be created by AI, but it is optional. Now, when you're done with all the settings and also the prompt, you can send a message and just wait for AI agents to actually start creating the presentation. This process will usually take several minutes, maybe between 2 to 10 minutes, depending on the complexity or whether or not AI must conduct some research, because again, this is AI agent, so it will actually able to read content from the internet, and therefore it can get the most relevant answer. But in this case, I don't think it's going to take forever, but still, I will just skip forward and show you the final result. Alright, so we got the presentation ready. Now, if you want to present this document, you can click on this button, View and Export, and it will open a new page with the presentation, which later you can display on a big projector or a big screen. Now, you can press Play Slides like in this area. And yeah, you can actually start trying this new presentation that you just created using Genspark AI. Now again, as I said, it's going to be interactive. So where is the motor typically located in an electric bicycle? Well, I think the answer is maybe it's only attached to the handlebars. Well, I was wrong, and it's actually showing me the correct answer. So there is this feedback that is immediately appear when someone is answering the question. So I think that's pretty cool. And you can actually check other questions. You can preview it, like what is the typical range of a standard electric bicycle on a single charge? I think it's 20 to 50 miles. That's correct. And in most regions, what is the maximum motor resistance speed for a standard class 1 e-bike? I don't even know. Maybe it's 20 miles. So it's not. It's actually nice that we have this animation, but it's not actually showing the correct number. It should be 20 miles, but it's here, it's not here. And maybe the problem is that it's not going to be always perfect, but you can always ask Genspark AI to make some changes, especially on the slide with the problem. And let me try answering one more question. Which of the following is not a common battery type used in electric bicycles? Not common, maybe nickel metal hydride, or maybe that's mercury. So there's this nice card that actually giving you a summary about the information. So it's a one way to learn new things from this presentation. So yeah, go ahead, use Genspark AI, and you can always interact with AI to improve the presentation. And if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.